Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another OS. This is a test of my Ubuntu 23.04. It's 23rd of April 2023 and it is 11:36 in the morning. And I've been using this Ubuntu for 2 days already. Yeah, after that video that I made the first look of the developer's OS Ubuntu and the OS, which is, I think it's official release LTS already. Yeah, I think because they have to update from time to time. It's already like LTS. I think every XX.04 is always the official release of the LTS. I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? So anyway, I've been testing this for quite a while already. Let me open my terminal and let you see where is my head. Oh, down below. So as you can see, this is my Neo Fetch. It is Ubuntu 23.04. Is it LTS already? They haven't put the LTS. I don't know yet. It's nearly 3 hours. I've been up. I haven't rebooted. I'm installing some of my stuff right here. That includes my extension managers for my Gnome extension. LibreOffice, but I always use only Office. No offense with this two Office, but I rather use the only Office because I only like focusing on 3 documents, presentation, and spreadsheet. Daily driver. Games are also here. I also installed these 3 browsers, the Firefox web browser, the Chromium web browser, which is from Google Chrome, but it is open source and you don't need to enter your logins with the Google account. I also have the Tor. Yeah, I use Onions. Yeah, I also have the Dolphin. Let me see if I have other stuff. No. I also have the Audacity for my audio recording editing tool, Kdenlive for lightweight professional editing software that I have, OBS for my screens broadcast, screen capture, and screen recorder at the same time. Yeah, and Open Broadcast for live streaming. By the way, OBS is Linux application, not a Windows application, because it is open source and it started with a Linux program. Too bad, Windows. You're only just copying and buying some stuff with the Linux community. No offense, but you have the money, you're right. But 97% all over the world uses Linux. Only 2%, or make it 3%, are Linux desktop. But the rest, well, it's basically your mobile devices that is all Linux. Let me see. Your internet, your servers, your printers, projectors, your mouse, your Alexa. Oh, sorry, Alexa, I didn't mean to ask you.
No worries.
So, yeah, I've been using this Linux for quite a while already. Also installed the Gnome boxes for my virtualization, including the VirtualBox by the Oracle. Let me see. I also have the Thunderbird for the Mozilla Firefox and for my Proton Mail. Proton Mail. I still have the Yahoo and the Google, but I have actually the Proton Mail. Viber for calling. Yeah, I don't usually use my SIM card number anymore. It's just for data. Yeah, it's a big deal for others using the SIM card, but for me, no. SIM card is just only a data connection. Yes, I'm a Filipino, and of course, they are particularly right now with the SIM card registration because it is ended today, 23rd of April. Spotify, Libre Office, Libre Photos, Stellarium, G Comprise. We also have Scratch right here. DJ things like the transition and the mix with the triple X. And of course, Kden or KDE partition manager. I have also the Gnome or the Gparted. Yeah, it's already installed. But of course, I prefer using the KDE partition manager because it is lightweight. And as you can see, I have the Windows, I think Windows 11. I have also the, before this is the Ubuntu 22.04. I upgraded it into the developer's version of Ubuntu 23.04, but I end up like fresh start, so that it will be like, everything will be fresh, and I could always like install, because this is Linux. I could like change it whatever I want. I also have the Linux Elementary OS 7, KDE Neon Plasma 5.27, and the last one is the Linux Mint. I have a very, very small Linux Mint partition, like below 50. And the last one is the Linux swap, or the virtual swap, or the virtual memory, which is using the space of your SSD, NVMe, or the hard disk drive, or the HDD. But it is not a memory like the random access memory. It is the hard disk memory. You can convert that one. Games also installed, pre-installed, like Mahjong, Mines, Sudoku, and other stuff right here. So anyway, that's it for now for my exploration of my Ubuntu 23.04. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm Blair, saying bye for now, and see you in the next episode of Linux Apps OS operating system around the world, and some vlog, and of course, science is cool. Bye for now, and see you in the next episode.